Hi fans, Amber Marsala here with another Better Center update. Sunday night NFL. Green Bay Packers 5-2 at New Orleans Saints 2-4, 8:30 Eastern. The streaking Pack is a 1-point underdog coming into this matchup in the New Orleans Superdome. The total is the highest so far this year, 56. Is the 56 legit? Can Packer fans relax? And are the Saints ready to turn things around? The Better Center Magic 8 Ball has answers. The numbers say lots of scoring. Green Bay is averaging 28.4, fourth most in the NFL. The Saints 25.8 to rank 10th, and both defenses are mediocre. Both teams are 6-1 over their totals so far this season. Both teams beat the Vikings at home, and both lost at Detroit, indicating a fairly even matchup. Key matchup, the Saints' 13th ranked rushing game against the Packers' 31st ranked rush defense. Look for the Saints to rush much more than usual, which eats more clock. If you missed out on the Game of the Year winner with Iowa State last week, make sure you don't make that mistake again this week. Louis Diamond is releasing his college football total of the year. It's free and it's on automated response. Just text LVSPN to 90210 and don't forget to sign up for free fantasy football in the link below. And then tell your friends, because if you do, Christmas presents are on us this year. Plus, it's free.